Hey friends, if character map is not working on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now you need to understand one thing, that character map is relatively a new feature. So here's what you have to do. Install the latest Windows updates to be sure that the provision for character map is installed on your system. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system, go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side, click on check for updates. The next one is clean boot. Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab, check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. The last solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.